Pleasant morning, children. Today we are going to continue the chapter Fiber to Fabric. In today's session, you will be learning about some plant fibers, that is cotton and jute, and the process of spinning cotton yarn. Can you remember what is plant fiber? All the plants have fibers in their body structure. For example, cotton and coconut. We extract fiber from the fruit, and in jute, it is from the stem, and banana, it is from the leaf. Okay, so plant fiber is nothing but the fiber which is extracted from the plant. Okay, cotton, it is a most industrial crop, and India was proud inventor of cotton clothing. In India, cotton is used since 1800 BC, so it is very long we are using the cotton. The production, for the cotton production, which is well known in the Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh. So in these states, we are producing the cotton. So what is the climate required? It is a warm climate, and the cotton should be planted yearly in the spring season. And what is the soil which is used for cultivation of cotton? Black soil is an excellent soil which is used for the cultivation. And where do we get this cotton? It is from the cotton balls. Cotton balls, what is cotton balls? Cotton balls is the fruit of cotton plant. Cotton fibers are obtained from the cotton balls. It is actually spherical in shape and in the size of lemon. During the maturation stage, it bursts open and exposing the white fiber. These fibers are dried in the sunlight and they become fluffy. So, and after that drying, we have to separate the seeds from the cotton. This process is called ginning. It is just pulled out by the steel combs. So, using the steel combs, we are pulling out the seeds by the hand. It is traditionally done in hand, and nowadays we are using the machines also. Here you can able to see the ginning process, which is done in hand, and this is in the machine. So here the cottons are along with the seeds, and here it is only the cotton. So this is done by the machine, and here it is done by the hand. The separation of the seed from the cotton is called ginning process. Okay. Next, spinning cotton yarn. What is spinning? The process of making yarn from the fibers. Do you remember what is yarn? It is nothing but the thread. So here simple device is used for spinning by the hand. It is called as talki, and hand operated device, it is called charkha. You often see this charkha picture along with Mahatma Gandhi. It is popularized by Mahatma Gandhi during the independence movement. Spinning of yarn on large scale is done with machines also. After spinning, the yarns are used for making fabric. So after the spinning process only, the cotton is used for making the fabrics. And uses of cotton, manufacturing of textiles, and absorbent in hospitals as a fillers in mattresses and pillow. So these are the uses of cotton, and here you can able to see the takli and the charkha picture. This is used for the spinning process. And next, plant fiber, it is jute. It is extensively used fiber next to cotton, and it is obtained from the stem. It is called as putsan. Production, where the jute is get produced. It is from West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. So these are the state which is popular in producing the jute. Extraction, what are the processes involved? First, they have to cut at the timing of flowering stage. So the jute plant has to be cut at the timing of flowering stage. Left for few days in the field for dry up of leaves. After cutting, it has to be left in the field for drying up of leaves and tied into the small bundles. Sink into stagnant water for few days. That process is called retting. And after making bundles, they will be left into the stagnant water for few days, and this may release the sticky substance, that is gum like substance, which is present in the stem region. So that process is called as retting. Fiber is extracted from the retted jute by hand with jerk and pull. So here you can able to see the process. First they have to cut the jute, and here it is tied up into the bundles, and later the retting process, it is floated in the stagnant water. At last it is ready to extract the fiber. So this is the extraction of jute. What is the uses of jute? It is used for making gunny bags, carpet, curtains, ropes and etc. So these are the uses of jute, and in this session you will be very clear about the plant fibers. Thank you.